What's up, y'all? Back at it again with another Pokemon camp out video. Yeah, I had a lot of fun doing it last time, so I was like, hey, 5 days later, 4 days later, let's do it again. So we're gonna be out here again, trying to get there about 10 o'clock. That's about 15 minutes till, so we're moving and grooving now. I don't know if you guys can see behind me is some air mattresses. I didn't really sleep too well last time. You know, the back of my car was real hard, so I had to find a way to make it a little bit more comfy. So but yeah, I think we're ready tonight. Yo, what a sight. I've just pulled up. People are already out here. That's crazy. This time we're out here, fifth in line. This is insane. This is insane.
Like the dogs when you put a microphone to a dog's nose. Okay. And yeah, of course, dude. I got mini chocolate chip muffins. I got Pop Tarts, different flavor Pop Tarts. I got coffee cups. I got 2 gallons of fresh coffee. I think there's some mini donuts in here. I got water and
What's up, y'all? Getting ready to go to sleep for the night. Let's see, what time is it? It is I don't know what time it is, but yeah, gonna pass out. Lights out. See y'all in the morning. It's 4 o'clock. The line's starting to get crazy.
Four in the morning.
Not anymore, though.
And I'm ready for some Pokemon.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
gonna get the ETB boxes.
Hey.
And I'm a recommend get that
Yeah.
box.
Almost had it.
That was so bad.
Almost had it. All right, we're about to get in. 3 minutes away. Yo, what's up, guys? We just secured the bag. All right, let's go home and rip some stuff. All right, y'all, we're back from the drop. First things first, my girlfriend got me a pin collection. We gonna rip. We need the Dragonite. We need it. We need the Dragonite. Okay.
My cousin over there, his tongue hanging out.
Oh, you got me. They almost got me. Hey, tag rare. Mega Electros. I do. Ooh, I need to get my sleeves. Ascendant's been pretty good to me, so I'm like 33% on a hit rate. Oh my god, another thing. Here we go. God pack. Nope. One of these times I'm gonna call it, because I'm gonna call it every time, and there will be a God pack. That's where that works, right? EX Terapagos. I don't think I have it.
Ooh.
I might. I have to look at the set.
Let me see.
I may have it.
You
Maybe.
got 2 hits so far.
Yeah, see, look at that. This is my Ascended.
I
Is
don't
like,
think you have that one.
they're not like great hits. I haven't pulled an SIR or anything, but I mean, we're 2 for 2, baby. 2 for 2 on Ascended. You know, I know other people don't really get that, and that's not always the case, but oh, no shiny today.
This is where the best card's gonna happen.
Let's see. I can pull a Gengar. Ooh, Dratini and oh, my first Raboot. Sneasel. Grabbing. Vigavolt. Light Ball. Seazzle. Hey, another attack rare. I'm telling you, Ascended is good to me. It is another one another dupe, but like, bro, we are 3 for 4. We are 75% right now. We're going to 100 real quick. Pikachu. Skitty. Bellsprout. Camera up. Crocodile. Iris's Fighting Spirits. Ooh, there it is. Out of one pin collection, 2 Mega Attack Rares and a Tropicos EX. I'm telling you, that's not bad. And since it's not bad, we got another pin collection. This one I was able to get to myself. Another 5 packs. Let's do it. Let's see what the box is that I picked out. Yep. Here we go. Here we go. Something good. I can feel it. And almost.
Ooh.
EX.
So which one's better, that one or that one?
As the EX?
Huh?
The EX or the attack rare?
Yeah.
Here we go. And
Does every set have God packs?
no. This one does though. All right, I still got 2 more packs and we have a chance to blow her out of the water with an SIR. All we need is 1 SIR. That's all we need to win this box war. It's not even a pack battle, it's a box battle. Here we go. Grass Energy. Grass has been my lucky, right?
Come on, you gotta get something.
Here we go, here we go. Oh, another EX. So far it's not good. We got 1 more left. Oh, lightning, but it is shiny. I was just talking about God Pack. It is shiny. Let's see. No God Pack for me. I don't know if I'll ever pull a God Pack, if I'm being completely honest with you guys.
Ooh.
And another EX. 1 more look at all of the hits from today's ripping. See y'all next time.